This is Invanda, a great fucking bag. Over the last few years, we've done extensive research on bags, and after asking thousands of people, we found the number one use of bags. To carry shit. So we created Invanda, a great fucking bag. It has two features. It carries shit, and it looks fucking great. Invanda doesn't have solar panels, smart sensors, or an app. It just carries shit. Our pocket system follows a unique philosophy. There's no special pocket for your battery pack or your wooden necklace. Just put your shit in whichever pocket you want. It's your fucking bag. Invanda can hold over 10 billion different items. Here are a few examples. Yes, it can hold the sweater mom bought you. We don't judge. Invanda comes with straps, because we realized you need straps to carry a bag to carry your shit. Since we didn't want to decide on the way you carry your shit inside Invanda, you can move the straps around and carry it in a few different ways. Like this, or like this. Great options. To help moving the straps around, we use the unique method of hooks. And to close the bag, we're using something known as zippers. Our hooks are made of zinc iron and the zippers are top-of-the-line YKK zippers. It's a simple bag, but high quality. Our bags are lined with the best quality leather we could find, aka full-grain Italian leather. But if you don't like leather, there's a leather-free option made from the best not leather material. Our bag fabric has silver in it to keep bacteria and bad smells out, so you can even put smelly shit in your bag without worrying it'll harm the rest of your shit. Fuck it, we do have a third feature. Invanda comes in many colors, and all of them look fucking great. Some might say they look really fucking great. We'll allow it. Whatever color you choose, you can rest assured you'll be able to carry your shit in it. You can use Invanda at school, at the office, or at the bus stop. Really, anywhere you can carry a bag to. It can be used by both guys and girls. Now that's freaking versatile. Invanda was made by people who wanted to make a bag that can carry shit and look great while doing it. So they thought about it, designed it, probably ate something in the process, and now it's here. So if you need a great fucking bag, this is a great fucking bag. It's also pretty affordable, so it's a no-brainer. Great bag, carries shit, reasonably priced, it looks fucking great. What more do you need? Shit to put in bag not included. Invanda, a great fucking bag.
Hi, my name is Vision. I am an intelligent assistant for home and office. And this is my constructor Artur. Hi Artur.
Hi Vision. Vision is the simplest and cheapest way to rule off smart home and office. Vision is an intelligent device that supports you and assists you with daily activities. It saves time, money and cares about our nature. And all this with the use of the voice control. The algorithms are based on neural networks, allows to control the most of the crucial device like TV, lights or kitchen devices. In addition, Vision makes it easy to find out information on the internet. This is why we create Vision.
How to make an intelligent home or office in 3 simple steps. Take your mobile phone or tablet with Android in version 5.0 or higher and connect to the internet. Install application of Vision and set up your personal configuration. Put the device in stand.
Vision can do what you wish him to do. Some examples: you can order any items using the voice command. It can control the light, turning it on or off. It can play any music you like using voice command. It can answer the question you ask on any topic or find out any interesting information. It can connect with other smart devices like TV.
Vision, turn off the light.
Every feature of Vision is a field of research in artificial intelligence. It has very deep scientific knowledge. Vision, tell me definition of oxygen.
Oxygen is a chemical element with symbol O and atomic number 8. It is a member of the chalcogen group on the periodic table, a highly reactive nonmetal, and an oxidizing agent that readily forms oxides with most elements as well as with other compounds.
By installing our Vision application even on your old devices with cracked displays, we can preserve our current environment. So we encourage you to do this on your own devices.
Vision is your personal friend of giving individual possibilities like changing the appearance, changing the voice setting, adding and learning new commands. learning the latest improved settings, and many other options.
Full version of Vision application only for Indiegogo backers. Stephanie, are you there?
Yes, Vision.
Can you borrow me 1 GB odd RAM?
Okay, let me share with you.
If you're a golfer like me, you're in for a treat. I love this beautiful game. What I don't love is lugging around the golf bag on my shoulder, or bringing a push cart that takes up all my trunk space and takes forever to set up. I knew there has to be a better way. Hi, I'm Tin Tran, founder and inventor of Transrover. It has been an incredible journey. It all started as a simple idea that quickly grew into an obsession. After over 8 years of tinkering, inventing, and perfecting, Transrover is finally set and ready for mass production. But we can't do this alone. So please pledge, follow, and help share our project. Together, let's bring Transrover to life. Thank you.
What do you consider when choosing a windshield wiper for your car? Brand, design, price? In fact, none of these things matter. You should make your choice based on the design of the rubber insert. But the wipers we see today all have the same shaped rubber insert. That's why they all make noise and have the same poor performance. Now this is a superior wiper blade, the Kim blade. The Kim blade is unparalleled in its design. It has a rectangular shape and is made from 100% silicone. Traditional wiper blades are shaped like inverted triangles. Over time, traditional wipers bend, which causes more contact to the windshield, which results to smearing, streaks and noise. However, Kim blade are shaped like rectangles. Their shape maintains optimal performance angles no matter how much they bend. So you'll get strong, long-lasting cleaning performance. The Kim blade applies a thin layer of water repellent as the silicone blade glides across your windshield. The water repellent makes raindrops slide right off, allowing you to use the lowest setting of your wipers. Have clear visibility and drive safely. To apply a new coat of water repellent, Simply run the wipers for 5 minutes on a dry windshield. Replacing it is easy. You can simply replace the rubber insert. You can also attach a new wiper blade assembly to any vehicle. Exceptional looks, outstanding performance. Kimblade wiper blade.
Danger, wake up now.
Thanks, Righty. That was close. It's easy to get sleepy and distracted after a long day of work or when you're driving long distance. That's why Righty alerts you when you're getting sleepy, or when you start checking your phone and counting your likes. Righty does everything to keep you focused on driving. Is it reading your mind? No, it's reading your face. Using face tracking technology to detect when your eyes are not on the road. Don't worry, it's completely private. No internet connection needed, and it works day and night to keep you safe. Plus, it's so quick and easy to install, your grandma can nail it. Okay, Grandma. It's also great for professional drivers, truck drivers, young drivers, and parents. So unless you have a metal rock band to keep you awake, get Righty. Do you guys do birthday parties? Created by a team of experienced engineers, Righty is fully developed, tested, and ready for manufacturing. Join our crowdfunding campaign and let's make our roads safer.